So we have tons of official and unofficial news on Pixel 6, Pixel Passport and even Pixel 6a. Yes, you heard it right, 6a. So latest news from 9to5 says they found some Pixel devices codename in the latest Android 12 beta. They say Google for Pixel series codename is now moving from fishes to birds. Oriole is the Pixel 6, Raven is the Pixel 6 Pro. The first one is Whitefish, which could be something they won't launch like a testing device. Second we have is Blue Jay, which is the final codename of Pixel Fold. It was Passport back then, but now it is Blue Jay. Then comes the Pixel 6a with codename Pipit. Now shocking part is the devices with codename taken from birds. Yeah, these all will be using Whitechapel CPU GS101 for Pixel 6 series and Pixel Fold. Yes, even the Pixel 6a will be using Whitechapel CPU, maybe not GS101 but something with mid-range specifications. The Pixel 5a is yet to launch this month with some basic mid-end specifications like Qualcomm's 765G CPU, single hole punch on top left corner and dual cameras on back. Sad part is it is coming to some specific markets, so it's, you can say, filler which won't make much sense. I think one should buy Pixel 5, which is more premium in looks and better in terms of the specifications. Some screenshots of new translate for Pixel 6 series coming in from Mishal Rahman. This shows how minimal and large the interface is gonna be in Pixel 6 system applications. So you all can see where Material U is heading towards. This is getting exciting. Now some official news coming in from the CEO himself. He says the Pixel hardware lineup coming this fall will show you our deep tech investment. Yeah, he's hinting about GS101 Whitechapel CPU and how they'll integrate Pixel Visual Core, NPU, Titan M and so much into that. We might also see Soli in action, and with Android 12 this is gonna be an exciting device. Second, he says Pixel remains at the heart of our long-term strategy and will keep pushing the boundaries. So he is hinting something big is coming. So again saying guys, Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro is something you should wait for. The specifications are maxed out and this including Google using an amazing center hole punch design. The Pixel 6 Pro is coming with a periscope lens, 50 megapixel Sony camera, 120Hz high motion display and whatnot. The standard Pixel 6 is also getting some amazing specifications, but they'll differentiate it from the Pro variant in some areas, which is super fine. Yeah, you pay more, you get more. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.